iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 1 in the DStv Premiership on a Saturday evening. iDiskiTimes.co.za. We thought it was going to be a very straightforward game for Sundowns. It wasn't. It was a very interesting game, actually. Sundowns, of course, dominating ball possession, but it was not a walkover as we would have thought. But still, the team we thought was going to win won. Junior Khanye, our analyst, what did you make of the game, sir?
Yeah, nguleko maprada kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulise ingwenye etupeni litsomvila
So and so.
Ngibulise Justice.
Easy.
Umntana kaChrist umachaka. Ebafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Yeah, a very interesting game.
Yeah.
Like I said, beba ne pressure ma play Kaizer Chiefs. Which they need to fight. The difference today was a well-organized midfield against disjointed midfielders. Mamelodi Sundowns organization in Kuma, you could see defensive midfield. Mkwena, you could see two attacking, which is Allende and Maema. Mkwena, every time he created a triangle at the back, he defends Rhulani become a player number 12. He push to the almost line, and this right wing, I can say wing forward, wing right wing, left wing. What they do, they go more center. Now uteruk ulo lomfana lo dlala central ukekane. What he's doing is just sitting here. When they got the ball, Rhulani push the ball, he played wide. Link. Kuba ne triangle. Uba nearer ulomchitu krent ukekana. Always when he got the ball, Kaizer Chiefs, what they did, isolating in day one, the breeze, because of the frustration, he didn't get the ball, he had to press all the way across sometimes. At the position, I think his strategy, once but jump sort of the line, he was more nearer to his center, you need to press them. And then it's where is my press to press as a team. So I won pressing them is Sundowns or Mtambuti Breeze or Toli is not gonna work. Where was your midfield man in the press? Mtambe, I sit you up Pemenimang, Yamladi Luto in the Breeze as well. And then where's the midfield in Kulmangayo? Wabi midfield man it Otegang and Kulmangai Mina Omart Zwane. This is a game that was picked for him. I think Usindwe Ike may need a player that, especially Mombeg's defensive midfield. I think Namsanju Ata Bega cover Lumfanu. Okay, we know sometimes they overload, especially Batalangama full packs. I can put it that way, which is Umdiba, Nalum Fanum Dao. And Elagam Dao, he was making Bega very simple. Bastre Shaganje, Balzalu Linkum Gwena. When it turns, the priest will have the position Ugena Pagat. Because the Mfanu Peminyamang were enough. The work rate was very poor, low. When they play there, but overload the side. Umdao go straight. And then Mshishi, we am link with him, but I want to, Mshishi go more direct. Mangabe Ali, we Gumda, but I want to. The goals came exactly when Shongakon. I think the priest is supposed to drop. The position. There was no way we can press one. We let it up with Sundowns and then a press one, Balzalila Pagu Gumdao. Because tactical is poor, and then it becomes a problem. The goal was set whereby because of the wrong positioning, he had to lay the ball. It's support. Man support the midfield. It's sometimes always that number, attacker. That number whereby always you could see Maema is there, Allende is there. So sometimes I think when I'm going to first half, no control the tempo of the game. After they score one first half, what they did, they control the tempo of the game. At Kaizer Chiefs, I think they were lucky. They played shy party because of Aksuguti Sundowns. It was a pressing. Because of uncomfortable, they play Kaizer Chiefs. But they had to cross the pambola, go shaludi, and then they pull the sharp right. And Kaizer Chiefs first half game there was no defensive midfield. Players in Kulmangalum Fanu Machine, I understand what the way in the second half. I believe he was not supposed to come back. Also Kigen Toli, I understand what you schot awam in this catacity gankara. Mobunonga and Chinchela game. Kulmanga schot. Second half, I think Kigen Toli, Ulumfanu Machine, now Ulumfanu Zwane, they were not supposed to come back. But Depenjinda can I mang checker. I think there's nothing interesting. I think as a sub, the boy is more comfortable because it's more of tactical. Like see, we took a game whereby you can talk to him in tactical wise. He came second half. Udlala the way alifuna he ran ulethi energy nje and obviously is more skillful now when ziloba nenkani and then almost they got something and Ada always makudlala ngophemenyimanga team yakhe is going across noma ngaba bake ready ukhicken he must cross it now lo mchita lo Breeze when akekho ready he must cross it and then it didn't work my brother. It didn't work, and you had Sundowns that they're very composed. The goalkeeper is more of number 12. Laban mabahamba laba. Push ball. If I go on, he plays here. They bring it back to me. Even they press. When they press these front three, backwards. And then midfield Tumar, nowhere to be seen today. Even him, he was nowhere to be seen. Yes, because of Mhlambi bench, there's no one that they can replace with. It goes down as signing in, but truly speaking, it didn't come to the part. So midfield was disjointed. Mabayen's is up, second half, yes. I think first half, second half, first 15 minutes, Sundowns, they did dominate, created Mailula at Shukwinika. It was, I think, a 4v3. Shukwinika, the boy did well, but failed to target. It's supposed to be a goal. Kaizer Chiefs, they had told the first half, I think he can told supposed, because left of concentration, football created. Lomfana umshini lwele kuye without ngoba Sundowns iluzile le bola ngepass and then they play with umshini wadlala behind is supposed to kudlale la goalkeeper so khona far but ukhike noxolile ukudlalela trap ke mangabe weakest foot you understand and another thing second half yes last 10 minutes Kaizer Chiefs yes you could see yes they bayifuna but less of quality. I think they played with the team. Namasapo Sundowns after eliminating Mushishi. I think Rhulani almost got lost the game there. They were dominate. They did dominate the game. But last 10 minutes. Keep Mushishi. Very good player, but the tempo game was very high. Very, very high. Now I don't understand why Azomfaga I understand the point Begal prove. I think he got it wrong about almost Kaizer Chiefs 10 minutes will have say push a corner. Always but why crossing the ball? Dalan pants. Decision making in. Sometimes when you tell Susani press because Bebanga Sapotani. When they play Mkoena, they didn't have some. Now NH with Renega cool. But truly speaking, well deserved win, especially today Sundowns. It deserved to win. One of the understanding feature namhlanje understanding when labachita laba mfethu today everywhere kune triangle bra ene ingeke uphume if baluza la mele balwine la and akusukuthi mele balibambe ngecounter ban surprise they go and start afresh and then because of incompatibility namhlanje play circulation yambisa isikhathi Kaizer Chiefs they were marking defending but dangerous position mangaba yikho on bayibuyisa and lo mfana lo Mailula I one of the best icon fethu le ntwana le is coming right yabo bheka le bhola linika uSerino njengoba libuyisa mof iko le mfethu a striker that create chances for our midfielders wakho not only the uSerino no ba create la Mushishi la mfana udlala I think ushalulile makakhona he was sort of bekunabona amatena bayithrigim it looked confusing serious first half because bekuyibuye uMaema Mushishi because the mfana bekadlala ngapha right cutting in but you find him here and it's very smart mfethu namhlanje awubonisile ukuthi asekela amagoli ukuthi he scored target he find himself ku target no look at the movement but the understanding the ball le I pass weighing so credit to Rhulani and his team. He has improved. They never considered again today against under pressure Kaizer Chiefs. It's 3 losing in a row. And truly speaking, they're going to Royal M next week. And in Tengibone Kaizer Chiefs fitting Kulego. Mshaili Rhulani ata today. Coaching.
Technically.
Coaching Mshaili. Because even Stebe in this game, Shapungenile, Obanama moment, but where does it come from? You build up so more clever coach you build up. You bring him. Epenchini kula makembe kumele build up amfake and then ask ukuthi ngane Sundowns get so and then when game so it comes and then amlahlele but now mawuzomfaka ngegame so already uyayilimaza igame. So amshayile nange-coaching nangamasapho akho uthatha isikhathi u-ata, so arulani Mokoena umdabulile u-ata ama-level ashile ukuthi are-different.
There you go. That's Mamelodi Sundowns defeating Kaizer Chiefs on a Saturday with actually expected a lot of goals. There were opportunities, of course, from Chiefs, from Sundowns. It was a decent game of football on a Saturday evening. 32,000 people were there. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed it. We certainly did. iDiskiTV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.